is Jeevan from QSPARS Rajajinagar. One of our students got placed to a company, so she is going to share her QSPARS experience. Yeah.
I am Madhu Nirva. I joined to QSPARS in the month of September, and I got selected for the company name called 3D Websoft as a web developer. And I was done with the subjects, the manual testing, SQL, Core Java, and I am ongoing with the Selenium. And I was done, manual testing is trained by the Gautam sir, Niranjan sir and Pradeep sir. And Core Java is trained by the Kavin sir. And SQL is done by the Avinash sir. And boot camps helped me a lot to improve my communication skill and all. And mock interviews are helped me a lot to build a courage to crack the interviews easily. And overall, this QSPARS platform helped me to lot to make my, it's become a very strong foundation for me to make my future brightly. And I am very thankful for all the trainers whoever guided me and trained me. Thank you.
All the best. Okay.